Every single day, massive shipments of fresh, chilled chicken arrive at this state-of-the-art processing facility.
Before entering the production floor, workers undergo strict sanitation protocols to maintain absolute hygiene.
The delivery trucks pull up to the specialized temperature-controlled loading bays to begin the unloading process.
Workers in protective gear carefully unload the crates of fresh chicken, keeping the cold chain strictly intact. Every single batch of incoming meat must undergo rigorous safety and quality inspections before production can start.
Quality control inspectors manually test the internal temperature of the chicken to ensure it meets strict standards.
Advanced AI scanners and industrial sensors inspect every single piece of chicken with extreme precision.
These advanced systems can detect even the smallest bone fragments or imperfections within the meat. Once approved, the chicken is transferred to the fully automated cutting and portioning line. Robotic arms and automated blades slice the chicken into precise portions with incredible speed. Smart sensors measure each raw chicken breast to categorize them by weight for different products. Each piece is cut to exact specifications for wings, drumsticks, fillets, and popcorn chicken.
The portioning process ensures absolute consistency in size and weight for every single product.
Robotic sorters identify and organize the different cuts of meat with unmatched efficiency. The legendary secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices is precisely blended in a secure mixing room. Next, the chicken enters the seasoning stage, where the iconic flavor profile begins to take shape. The seasoned chicken is transferred into massive industrial steel tumblers for thorough marination. Advanced vacuum technology is used to pull the marinade deep into every single layer of the meat. This step ensures that every bite of the chicken is incredibly juicy and packed with flavor.
The marinated chicken is now ready for the critical coating and breading process.
The first layer of flour coating is applied to create a strong foundation for the final crunch.
Before entering the production floor, workers undergo strict sanitation protocols to maintain absolute hygiene.
Excess flour is gently shaken off as the chicken pieces move to the next stage.
Next, the chicken is submerged in a rich liquid batter that helps the outer breading stick. A final layer of breading is applied, creating the signature rough, crispy texture. This double coating process is key to achieving the legendary crunch that customers love. Quality control inspectors manually check the breading coverage on random pieces to ensure perfection. The fully coated chicken pieces are now ready to enter the massive industrial fryers. High-quality vegetable oil is heated to the perfect temperature in a massive central reservoir system.
The chicken is lowered into the hot oil, where the cooking process begins immediately.
The fryers operate under precise pressure and temperature controls to lock in moisture. Sophisticated computer systems monitor the oil temperature, maintaining a constant 180 degrees Celsius.